Hey there, today we're going to look at mastering email integration with Monday.com. So let's get started. First, open the Monday.com website. Over here, click the login button in the upper right corner. After that, sign in either with Google or by typing in your email address. Then choose the correct email if you're signing in with Google. After logging in, go to the board you want to work on. Then, over here in the upper right corner beside the Automate option, click on Integrate. In the Integration menu, over here in the search bar, type Gmail. After that, choose a template from the list and click on Use Template. Then, select the Gmail account you want to integrate. Over here, click on Status to choose a trigger. Then select the column on your board that you want to use as the trigger. Next, choose the option from the column, for example, done to signify task completion. After that, click on email. Over here, type in the subject and the body of the message you want to send when the trigger occurs. Then click on someone and select the recipient from the drop down who will receive the email when the trigger is activated. Once you're done, click on Create Automation to finalize and activate your email integration. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.